My Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firigan Dikaraya. My opinion after watching the Indonesia versus Bahrain match with a draw score had several controversial between it. My number one is second half at 6 minutes. Indonesian victory was suffered after the second half additional time given by the fourth referee. Also from Oman, Kasim Al-Hatmi, which was listed as 6 minutes, was not completed by Al-Kaf on time. This extra time was actually a bit controversial because during the second half, there were no moments that stopped the match, except for the celebration of Indonesia's second goal scored by Rafael Struijk in the 73 minutes. However, in reality, this extra time the given was almost the same was happened in the first half. In the first half, the referee gave 7 minutes of extra time. Number 2, easy to give violation to Indonesia. During more than 100 minutes of his leadership in the match between Bahrain and Indonesia, referee Al-Kaf was also very quick to make base decisions that were detrimental to Indonesia. Al-Kaf with his whistle to 27 times in the match against Indonesia. In fact, the physical contact made by Garuda team player to Bahrain player was very minimal and not hurt. On the contrary, Bahrain was recorded as only 10 times considered to have failed Indonesia player. In 60 minutes, Alcock also made the right decision when Rafael Struijk was followed by Amina Benadi. In front of the Bahrain penalty box, he did not give a foul to result in the free kick for Indonesia. Number 3, was it easy to yes? Apart from the leadership of the main referee Alcoff, the video assistant referee or VAR referee from Kuwait Abdullah Al-Kandari and also Al-Iraq also deserved the spotlight. The VAR referee was recorded at least twice reviewing incidents that could have been detrimental to Indonesia. In the term of penalty, in the first half, Mes Hilger was threatened with a foul of Bahrain player in the penalty box. Then in the second half, the same thing happened to Calvin Verdon, who almost became a victim of VAR incident when it cleared at the moment caused the Bahrain player to fall. In the article of VAR referee Il also do not do something when each team scored a goal. At the moment of Indonesia first goal scored by Ragnar Rotmangon, the VAR referee reviewed the goal process, which was suspect of being offset for almost 3 minutes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firgan Dikaraya. I'm from 91D05 Universitas BSI Kali Abang. In here I will present my project about simple present. Introduction. Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening now. In addition, simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1. Pattern followed by simple future tense. Structure of sentence: 1. Subject, 2. Predict, 3. Complement. Subject is simple present tense and can be used to express fact, truth, and habit. Predict is take on different meaning and nouns in science. Complement is word of group of words that function to complete the meaning of the subject verb or object. Simple present tense formula: subject plus verb 1, she is, plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Nominal simple present formula: subject plus to be plus complement. Subject plus to be plus not plus complement. To be plus subject plus complement. Example: I am an international school student. She is not an international school student. Verbal simple present tense formula: subject plus verb 1 plus she is plus complement. Subject plus do, does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Do, does, and subject plus verb 1 plus complement. So if you make sentence with third person subject, he, she, it, singular subject, there are some verbs that must added with she is at the end. In accordance with the previous discussion in verbal sentence, you do not need add to be the subject because the verb in the one that in charge of being the predicate. Easy now, right? Come on, it's time for to us apply it sentence pattern. What is topic about? Positive simple present tense, negative simple present, interrogative or question simple present. 1. Positive simple present tense. Just like nominal, verbal sentence also have positive form as we have discussed at the beginning. Negative simple present, well, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Use do, does, or do not, or don't, and does not. Interrogative or question simple present. In the question sentence pattern, it divided into two parts. Examples: positive simple present tense, I live in Jakarta, he live in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense, I don't live in Bandung, she does not live in Bandung. Interrogative simple present tense, yes or no question, do I work, does he work. What are some sample of simple present tense? Positive sentence, she want to be doctor. 2. Cow eat grass. 3. They speak English the office. 4. He likes banana. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentence, they don't have any money. 2. Lala does not see Peter in the class. 3. My best friend does not love you. 4. You don't like listen to me. 5. California is not in the United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence or question sentence. 1. Do you talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does she have lunch? Does he ride to motorbike? time word or a word of time in simple present tense. The time they will discuss has another verb, namely a verb frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense. However, sentences that use time words below are definitely simple present tense. Here is list the that you should note. Time word of or a word of time. Biasanya, usually, normally, generally. Selalu, always. Sering, often. Tidak pernah, never. Jarang, seldom, or rarely. Kadang-kadang, sometimes. Hampir tidak pernah, hardly, never. What are characteristics of simple present tense? Sentence. One using verb in the bare basic form, infinitive, or familiar irregular verb. Example, I play soccer every weekend. 2. Using auxiliary verb, namely do, or does. 4. Verbal sentence in negative and interrogative form. Example, she does not meet. Do you like chocolate? 3. Present tense, there are usually a verb of time such of as, always, usually, often, rarely, never, every, day, week, month, and year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Function of use of simple present tense. 1. General truth. State truth, general or absolute truth. 2. Repeat action, show daily activity. 3. Express feeling or emotion, express emotional command. The schedule of event, talking in the near future. 5. Command or instruction, expression, command, or instruction. Function and use of simple present tense. 1. General truth. So, simple present tense is sentence form to state something concrete. An example of sentence is the earth revolves around the sun. 2. Repeat action. Simple present tense also function to show habit, a daily activity or schedule that you do repeatedly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. 3. Express feeling and emotional. Are you sad? Or maybe are thinking about something? Does not hesitate. You can express thought simple present tense sentence. Example, feeling, I'm sad to hear you bet here. The schedule event. Distance is commonly used discussing the transportation schedules. For example, the train departs at 8 a.m. 5. Command and instruction. You must have often wrote instruction or command on your smartphone, right? For example, is the following sentence: is draw pattern or use fingerprint to lock. Songs contain simple present tense. You can learn example of the use this tense from through English song lyric. What are some Western song lyric that use the simple present tense? Example are as follows. Your learning opportunities are getting more and more. Talking about tense in never ending. Guys, it's a feeling like always want to discuss with a teacher or tutor who is already expert. The good news is in the English academic class is an English one-on-one future, aka chatting directly with a tutor if there is material that is not yet understood. Big number catch you audience extension simple present. Congratulations, you have finishing learning the most basic tense. But remember, learning thoroughly alone will be enough. How do you improve your ability to master simple present tense, the material? Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.